Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the C# programmer Clarence Simukanzye, and today in this video we're going to be looking at how you can turn on all your processors, or how you can choose how many processors are turned on your Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 8, Windows 8.1 PCs. Okay, so before we go ahead, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos concerning any Microsoft products. So the easiest way we can do this is open the run box. So the run box is simply there are two ways. You can open it using a shortcut and also using the start menu. So we can simply come to our start menu. So we have our start button there. We simply right click and then we click run, and then the shortcut method is simply saying Windows button plus R, and it still comes there. So in here we're simply going to type ms config. So msconfig, and then we can press enter. So it loads, and we're going to be seeing something on our screen. Okay, so there it comes. From there we simply go to our boot, the boot tab. So we've got general, boot, services, setup, tools, but for now we could go to boot and then choose your operating system. Okay, so actually the default operating system is always the selected one on top there. So you can go to advanced options, and then you can turn on, mostly you're going to find this off, so you can turn on number of processors and change the number of processors. So I'm limited to 2 processors, and if you have 8 processors you can still change. If you have 4, you can still change to 4, you can change to 3, you can change to any number of processors that you want. So if I say 1 and I say OK, when I click apply, it's going to ask me to restart after saying OK. So the number of processors is only going to change after restarting. Alright, so restart your computer and you're going to have your selected number of processors as the active process. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe.